Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween and Friday vlogs, I do promise they will be back. Then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hello my loves. So today I'm going to show you how I created this neon kind of vibe eye look, because you know me, I love neon. Everything neon I'm obsessed with. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I created this eye look using the Huda Beauty Neon Pinks Obsessions palette along with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Collection Electric Cake liners. So I already have my eyelid primed with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer shade right here. And I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to apply it into my crease. And I just took up a little bit of product and I'm just working that in. Any extra, I'm just going to work it into the inner part of my crease. And I'm just going to continue to build up that shade. The next shade I'm going to go in with is this one right here, which is more like the first shade was more of a light kind of corally orange. This one's like a little bit of a deeper corally orange. And I'm just going to take that and apply that on top of that shade into my crease. And I'm just going to take any extra and work it in again into the inner part of my crease. The next shade I'm going to go in with is this pink shade right here. And of course, these are all matte shades. I really do love them. This is like one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. And I'm just going to blend that on the outer portion of my crease. I just want to keep that mostly concentrated right there. I don't want to bring any into the inner part of my crease. Now I'm going to take that first shade again that I used, and I'm just going to apply a little bit more into the inner part of my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with this beautiful purple shade right here, and I'm going to concentrate that on the outer part of my crease once again. It's all about just building that color up and applying it into the crease. Now I'm going to go back in with that same purple shade, but this time I'm just going to apply it on the outer portion of my lid. And I'm just tapping that onto the outer portion of my lid, and then I'm just slightly working that up into my crease as well. Now the next shade I'm going to go in with is this beautiful lavender shade. And I'm going to apply this to the rest of my lid. And I'm just going in and I'm just patting it in a circular motion. And I'm just layering that slightly over the other purple shade. Now for my lower lash line, like over here, I'm kind of like, I don't know what to do really with it. But I am going to mix this pink shade here with this purple shade here. And I'm just going to apply it to my lower lash line. And now I'm just going to work it up into the other shadows. Now I'm just going to take my clean brush and just blend that out. So now for the fun part, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Norvina Collection Electric Cake liners. I absolutely love these. I mentioned them in my June favorites video, and I'm going to be using the Electric Lime color, which is this beautiful green lime shade right here. These are so super pigmented, really easy to apply. I just wet my little brush there with a little bit of setting spray, and I just take my time, and each time when you go in, when the liner dries, you can keep on building it up and it becomes so super pigmented. Now I know a lot of people had said that there's a fragrance in this green one. It's not very nice apparently, but mine doesn't smell at all. It's perfectly fine. So just a heads up on that. Now you're probably wondering why this eye doesn't have no lashes or no mascara on yet, because what I like to actually do is when I apply this first, I really let it set before I apply my lashes or mascara. So I just like to have that setting time, let's say. So the little brush that I'm going to go in with is from Suva Beauty. If you've never heard of them before, they are a Canadian company, and this here is the 610 liner brush. So you probably can't even see the brush like tip. It's very fine line. So what I like to do is wet some of my setting spray on my little dish here, Electric Lime shade, which is so me. I'm so all about the neon life. You know me, I just love neon, can't control myself. And now I'm just going to slightly draw a wing liner, which I really never done on camera before. I don't think I have. I find it very difficult, but I just want to show you how easy it is to apply these liners. There we go. See how easy that was applied? Like that is just one coat. That is not like going in, letting it dry, layer it again. It applies so easily. But I will have to let you know that just apply a little bit of water or a little bit of setting spray, because if you overload your brush, which I done when I first started using these, it actually ran into my eyes and it really did sting my eyes. So just take your time with it. Don't rush with it. And it's just it's really beautiful product. Now I'm going to go in with the second application, just to show you how easy it is to build up this product. I mean, really, I didn't need to go in with the second application, but I just wanted to show you how easy it was to build it up and how more vibrant it becomes. So now for my inner corner highlight, I am going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm also going to apply that underneath my brow bone. So to finish off this eye look, I did go in with Kiss Lashes in Pompadour. I went in with Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. And for my lower waterline, I went in with the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Insomniac. So there we go, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this fun tutorial. I'm just really feeling it. I just love neon. It's such a fun color to like even wear. I just really do love it, and it just makes me really happy as well. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite eye look to create? Is it from neons to bowls to nudes to purples to pinks to greens? Whatever your little heart may desire, let me know in those comments down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, stay safe, love everyone, and thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.